So the name of the question is sharpen the pencil. So we have two friends and they are bored, so they are in pencil in a line. So Madhav starts to sharpen the pencil from left to right and Ria from right to left. So we have to tell how many pencil will be sharpened by each one. So we'll have this array. So we'll take the array and we have like the size of the pencil. So the main part of the question is Madhav sharpened the pencil with twice speed that of Ria. So what is this? So Madhav sharpened the pencil from left to right, but he will do it twice the speed of Ria. So that is a problem. Because if that was same, we'll just add it. We'll start one from left, one from right, and we'll add it. But what we can do here is we can increase the speed. No, increase the size of pencil for the person who has the less speed. So we can assume the speed of the both persons are same, and we'll just give the person which have less speed twice the size, and we'll decrease the speed of other one. So how I hope you can understand it. So look here. So we'll input the array and we'll start the left 0 and right and -1 and sum of 1 and sum of 2, and we'll have to output the count. So this is the condition: right should be greater than left, and if sum of 1 is greater than sum of 2, means he first sharpened the pencil from the left and his time increases, so we'll add the sum to the right. So his speed is slow, so we'll add 2 times of array of I, and we'll increase our pointer to left side. And in other case, he has twice speed, so we have decreased his speed. We'll add only one element. And if the sum of both is same, so we'll increase both their pencil size and we'll increase their count also. So we have another condition: if both player reaches the same pencil simultaneously, Madhav gets to sharpen the pencil. So if L is equal to R and sum is less than sum of 2, count +1, other than else count 2 ++, and we'll output the count.